Machinery is a leading engineering organization that is primarily based in two verticals: tea factory equipments and drying systems. We are based in Jalan Industrial Complex in Howrah, which is about 15 kilometers from the city of Kolkata in eastern India. Spanning 55,000 square feet of manufacturing area, the company boasts of a new age process and design team and a futuristic production infrastructure. For the last 3.5 decades, we've been at the forefront of engineering excellence, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the tea sector and in the drying industry.
Our journey began with my dad being the second company in India to make vibratory fluid bed dryers in the mid-90s, initially for the tea industry. As the team evolved and the company grew, we ventured into complete turnkey tea factory equipments for CTC, orthodox and green tea processing factories. Some of the innovations that my team and I have championed and pioneered have been the single largest chemical withering tank holding 30,000 kgs in a single equipment, the first tray chain chemical withering tank coming out of India, single largest physical withering machine of belt area of 480 square meters, allowing moisture reduction to happen at low temperatures of 34 degrees C and 4 hours residence time, ensuring no damage to the leaf cells. The first tray chain physical withering machine ever built in the industry. And finally, we've done a project of 100,000 kgs of green leaf per day on continuous withering systems, utilizing only 2 workers and 160 horsepower of installed power, the most efficient utilization of power so far in the industry. Our contribution to the tea trade remains unparalleled in terms of value and benefit that tea producers are achieving in their operations. Later, we've also got involved in drying systems in several industries in the chemical, polymer, fertilizer, and now radioactive space. Our groundbreaking projects have been in fluid bed dryers, band dryers, paddle dryers, rotary dryers, calciners, drying lanes, and tunnel dryers.
Let's take a closer look at some of our groundbreaking designs and get you a sneak peek into our drying systems. We have this equipment that you see over here. It has an overall footprint of approximately 500 square meter of drying area. It has been built specifically for a company that does glass fiber manufacturing. It is actually one of the single largest dryers on the planet today. And we are looking at this installation and commissioning and testing happening in the next 2 months.
I am Mukherjee, working here as the Head of the Department of Central Planning. Here we are having the most modern facility to fabricate all our equipments, which is required in the modern technology. Now our work depends on coordinating with all the vital departments like sales, project, design and development, and the production up to the delivery to ensure that the machine what we are manufacturing goes to the mark of the top level and clients are satisfied with the performance of the machine when it is installed correctly and smoothly, having their total confidence on our machine as per the quality and performance of the machine.
In terms of our foreign collaborations, we have associations and arrangements with companies in Japan, Spain, Portugal, France, and Germany. Global Process Concepts in France and Glorinda, Germany have given us access to their designs and engineering acumen, and we build upon their technologies and their experiences and integrate those futuristic designs in our machinery.
My name is Zol Popse. I'm the founder and CEO of GPC Bio in France. I'm very pleased to share with you our partnership with GEM from India. We are pleased to represent them in France, in Europe, and support them in terms of technical and commercial action over the Europe. Thank you.
Our company, GEM Machinery, is a very unique organization in terms of the knowledge, intelligence, leadership that all of us have in this industry today. We have entered new markets, we have launched new products, we are doing extremely innovative projects that this industry has never seen happen earlier. We are bringing about tangible transformation in this industry. I want each one of you to know and understand that the position that you're holding and the work that you're doing is driving meaningful change in this organization and in the industries in which we serve and we operate. It is the collective responsibility of each one of us to do our very best for this organization, to do our bit and our part to make sure that this company rises to the next orbit of transformation and the next level of growth in this industry. And I hope I have the support and backing of each one of you to make it happen. We will continue to test newer waters and new markets in the times ahead. I would like to thank each one of you for your participation, for your leadership, for the work that all of you are bringing into this organization, because it is a collective responsibility that can make it happen. I've had a very unique privilege of having traveled to more than 70 countries globally. And with my travels and the travel of my team members, we've actually taken GEM to more than 45 countries globally. We have participated in some of the most exacting and demanding trade shows on the planet. Some of them have been Cial Paris, Pet Food in Kansas City, IFAT Chicago, wastewater management trade shows, mining exhibitions, Chemtech in Mumbai, Chemprotech in Mumbai, other trade shows organized by the East African Tea Traders Association. So our presence and participation and our presentations in these trade shows and events have actually taken GEM to a global stage. We get to interact with some of the most demanding clients over there. They come up with challenges that they experience in terms of their drying systems. And then my team and I, we put together solutions that can give them value for their pain points. From our headquarters in Eastern India, Kolkata, our impact stretches more than 45 countries globally, from the high-tech industries of Europe and Americas to the manufacturing hubs of Asia. We are also present in 22 countries in Africa. My company and I have also done online training and mentoring programs and in-person educational programs. We have had more than 3,000 people from more than 85 countries around the globe who've participated in some of these events. We generally believe in serving, and we have given out educational knowledge on our dryers and drying systems and tea factory solutions and continuous withering systems to the industry. This enables us to maintain a leadership position in the sector, and we continue to drive growth and innovation with these educational programs that we've been delivering. At GEM Machinery, we also believe in taking up projects that are unique and complex, things that have not been done earlier. We have done projects for a food company in the US, an ongoing drying and calcination project in Canada, a dryer for acai pulp in Brazil, ongoing projects in France and UK, tea factory machinery installations in countries from Argentina to Nigeria to South Africa to Kenya to Russia to Japan to Australia. We have tested the waters in some of the most demanding and challenging places on this space, with a GEM equipment in more than 45 countries globally. We speak the language of hope, the vocabulary of execution, and the dialect of innovation. This is what inspires us at GEM Machinery, and we make it happen for you.